Good morning, my dear children. I welcome all of you to 10th biology class. In previous class, we discussed about different parts of brain, main parts of the brain. I told you that there are 5 main parts. They are cerebrum, thalamus, hypothalamus, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. And cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Left hemisphere of this cerebrum controls our right body part, and right hemisphere controls our left body part. So we know that this brain and spinal cord are the parts of central nervous system. Two types of nervous systems are there, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Then now we are going to discuss about the protection of brain and spinal cord. We know that the average weight of human brain is 1.4 kg. That is the average weight only. Then it is a delicate part. Brain is delicate part, but it is very important in our life. Our body activities controls and coordinates by this brain. So brain and spinal cord, these are the central part of our body. These two works together to control and coordinate our life activities. So it want to be safe. So there are protection methods are there. Mainly one bony covering is there, that is very hard. It protects from the external shocks. That part is the skull. Skull is the bony covering of our brain. And another covering is there, that is made up of connective tissue membranes. And these 3 layers are there. These are arranged in 3 layers. And these 3 layers of connective tissue membranes are called meninges. And these meninges are filled with a fluid, special type of fluid, that is called cerebrospinal fluid. We know that the outer part of the cerebrum is made up of grey matter and inner part is made up of white matter. And I told you that last part of this brain is the medulla oblongata, that is a rod shaped structure. This rod shaped structure continues as the spinal cord. Spinal cord also very important part of our body. This spinal cord is protected inside a bony covering called vertebral column. Our backbone protects this spinal cord. And the same type of membranes is here also in the case of spinal cord. These are called meninges. And in the case of this spinal cord, cerebrospinal fluid is filled inside the spinal cord. That is central, that part is called central canal. Central canal is filled with the cerebrospinal fluid. Then cerebrospinal fluid is formed from the blood. And formed from the blood, we know that our nutrients reaches in the blood. Then this cerebrospinal fluid, CSF fluid, this fluid can give nutrients and oxygen to the brain tissue. So this is the nourishment. It gives nourishment. Cerebrospinal fluid gives nourishment to the brain cells. So we want to eat good food, then different types of food, then only you will get different types of nutrients. These nutrients reaches in the brain cell through the cerebrospinal fluid, and again this cerebrospinal fluid mixed with the waste materials, and again it reaches in the blood. And you can see some similarities and differences between this brain and spinal cord. I told you that in brain the outer part of the cerebrum is made up of grey matter, but in the case of this spinal cord, outer part is made up of white matter. In case of brain, inner part is made up of white matter, but in the case of this spinal cord, inner part is made up of grey matter. That is one difference, and you can see some similarities in the protection. In case of this brain and spinal cord, one bony covering is there. In brain it is called a skull, and special part of skull is cranium. Brain is protected in the cranium of the skull. Then in case of this spinal cord is protected inside the vertebral column, that is made up of hard bones. And what you can see next, you can see the cerebrospinal fluid is present in case of this brain. Where it is present? It is present in the ventricles of the brain and inside the meninges. But in the case of this spinal cord, the cerebrospinal fluid filled inside the central canal. Next day we will learn more about the spinal cord. You can see the section of spinal cord, and next day I will explain it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.